Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Nursyahbani. I'm from English Department, Universitas Riau. Today, I want to give you a little explanation about A and A. So, happy watching! A mostly occurs after a consonant or by itself at the end of the stressed syllable. For example, like able and baby. I occurs after a consonant or between two consonants at the end of a stressed syllable. For example, like tailor and daily. ACE occurs before one or more consonants and silent E in a syllable. For example, like mistake and became. I occurs mostly at the end of a word. For example, like way and delay. For other example words, you can see on the screen. The second explanation is A. A occurs mostly before a consonant or between consonants in a stressed syllable. For example, like travel and active. Others. A few words appear to have the ACE pattern but are pronounced A. On closer look, the silent E is part of the final consonant spelling. For example, like remains and finance. For other examples of the word, you can see on the screen. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to all of your friends so they can improve their knowledge about A